Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide or rather turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to want to do is to disable it if you enable it, and it is very easily done. If you know how to enable it, you already know how to disable it. However, there is no way to remove that option entirely. You can permanently turn it off, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do. Now, to do this, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, and I'm already in my settings. But to get to your settings, you click these three bars at the top right, and once you're here, you'll arrive at this here screen. To access your silent mode, you need to go into notifications, and as you can see, quiet mode is the third option from the right, from the top, or even maybe the second. But yeah, actually, it's from the right. I thought push notifications might have been sort of a subtitle. But yeah, just click quiet mode, and if it's turned on, it will be the slider will be brought to the right, and as you can see, all these options will be highlighted. To turn it off, you just hit the slider again, click on turn off quiet mode, and you're basically done with everything. And you can turn it off again, turn it on again manually, but if you don't want to and you just want to skip a day, you can just click skip for now, and that's going to be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.